Hello everyone, I'm Efwa Mampadu and this is
OSCE.
We are physician assistant students of the College of Health, Yamfo. And in this part of our series, we would like to introduce you to bed making, specifically the simple unoccupied bed. So bed making is a trolley procedure. That means you come to your bedside with your trolley. On the top shelf, we have our pillowcase, our top sheets, our drawer sheets, our drawer Macintosh, and our bottom sheet. On the bottom part of our shelf, we have our pillow. You will nicely arrange all your items on two chairs facing each other backward. So here I'll flip my items and place them gently on my chairs. Take my pillow, place it gently on my chair. I'll be running points on this procedure and Cindy will be assisting me. So first of all, we'll take our positions by the bed and check the bed for any faults or problems. So when you get to your bedside, you check your bed for any breakages, faults of the bed. You raise the other side, you press down, you check. As you can see, our bed is doing fine, so we start the process. So we start with our bottom sheet. We lay it evenly on the bed and then spread it off. Make sure the sheet is evenly distributed across the bed. Then we come to our envelope corners. You raise your mattress, you tuck in your sheet neatly and firmly. You raise a corner of the sheet, place it on the bed, tuck in the bottom part. Place the raised corner back down, then tuck in that part. You repeat the process at the bottom of the bed. Firmly, you raise one corner, tuck in what is left. Lower the corner that was raised and then neatly tuck it in. So this opening here is what is referred to as the envelope corner. Then you tuck in the rest of your bed, making sure you avoid any folds or creases. From there, we move on to our drawer Macintosh. The Macintosh is to help avoid any form of leakages, fluids, or anything that could soil your bed. You also fold that in neatly and gently, but firmly. Your next step is your drawer sheet, which goes over your Macintosh. Because rubber is uncomfortable to lie on, this makes it bearable. You also tuck that one in nicely. Finally, our top sheet. also evenly distributed across the bed. Then again, we are going to create another set of envelope corners, but this time only at the foot end of the bed. So once again, you raise your mattress, tuck in firmly and neatly. Raise one side to create an envelope, tuck in nicely, lower the side that was raised, and then tuck in again. We have another beautiful envelope corner. You tuck in the rest of the bed, leaving a part at the top end of the bed. We are going to create another form of envelope, but this is to help us put the patient into the bed. So, you raise the tip of the bed and fold in. One. You repeat the same thing. Fold in. Two. Then, neatly tuck in. Finally, we move on to our pillow. Always look that the open end of the pillow should face away from the door. Once again, I'm Ifwa, and this is
OSCE.
and from College of Health Young Folks. This is a simple unoccupied bed. Thank you.